Hi, my name is Greg Hunsaker and I'm the Director of Product Development and Strategy here at ARDEX Americas. Today I'd like to introduce to you the need for speed prep and adhesive systems. You're currently faced with tight turnaround times and challenging deadlines. ARDEX is here to help. Our prep and adhesive system is the fastest in the market, allowing you to open to foot traffic in as little as 3 hours. The first product in the system that I want to talk about is P4. ARDEX P4 is a pre-mixed, rapid drying multi-purpose primer. It allows you to put down a self-leveler in as little as 30 minutes. The next product in the system is K40 Rapid. ARDEX K40 Rapid is an extremely fast-drying, high-flow self-leveler that allows you to put flooring adhesive on top of it in 2 hours. The last product in the system is Henry647 Plum Pro. This is a purple roll-applied fast-track adhesive that goes dry to the touch in 7 to 10 minutes. ARDEX's Need for Speed prep and adhesive systems is the fastest installation system on the market. It also comes with a 20-year System 1 warranty. For more information on these products and systems and warranties, please contact your local sales pro at the number on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.